AI-powered sales tools promise to make outreach easier, but with so many options out there, it's tough to know which tool is worth the money. That's why today we're comparing Salesforge with Sellinger.ai. You see, I reviewed hundreds of sales tools. That's why by the end of this video, you'll know which platform actually helps you book meetings at scale, all without draining your budget. First, let's cover senders. The number of accounts you can connect directly affects how much outreach you can run. Sellinger.ai only allows one sender, so you're capped from the start. Salesforge gives you unlimited senders, so you can connect as many accounts as you need, your own, your team's, even your clients' accounts. That means you can scale without worrying about hidden costs. Outreach depends on campaigns, the sequences that control when and how your messages go out. Sellinger.ai automates this for you, which sounds good at first. However, you don't get much control over the steps. Salesforge uses manual campaign setup. That means you decide the exact flow. Connection requests, follow-ups, conditions, can customize everything to fit your strategy. Once prospects reply, you need to manage conversations. Sellinger.ai doesn't give you a centralized inbox, so you'll have to switch between accounts to manage conversations. Salesforge includes a prime box where all of your messages land in one place. And on top of that, it drafts replies using AI with your company info, helping you respond faster and stay consistent. But thing is, prospects don't always respond on LinkedIn, which is why multi-channel outreach is crucial. Sellinger.ai doesn't offer email outreach. It's LinkedIn only. Salesforce supports both LinkedIn and email. Plus, you get 10,000 active contacts, up to 50,000 cold emails sent, validation and personalization credits, and premium mailbox warm-up, all in the same plan. That means you can follow up on multiple channels without needing extra software. Sellinger.ai doesn't include a lead database, so you'll need another tool to find prospects. But with Salesforge, you can use LeadsForge, which uses AI to surface lookalike leads, competitors' followers, and your ideal clients just by using AI search. Also, Sellinger.ai does include AI research and automatic follow-ups, but it stops short of handling full-scale outreach. Salesforge integrates with Clay, Go High Level, Slack, HubSpot, and more, and also includes unlimited mailboxes, free warm-up, and AI hyper-personalization. For agencies or teams, Salesforge even supports white labeling. Sellinger.ai doesn't. Sellinger.ai costs $228 per month for one account. That's a steep price considering the limits. Salesforge is $96 per month. That covers unlimited senders, multi-channel outreach, AI replies, and all the extras. In other words, you get more capability at less than half the cost. So here's the bottom line. Sellinger.ai focuses on automations and research, but it's limited in scale. It's limited in features, and it comes at a much higher price. Salesforge gives you unlimited accounts, multi-channel campaigns, and better value overall. So if you want to see exactly how to set up multi-channel outreach to book more meetings, then check out this video because that's exactly what I covered there. Go watch it now.